Your iPhone 17 Pro Max deserves protection that matches its power. In this video to the best iPhone 17 Pro Max cases, we break down impact ratings, MagSafe strength, grip texture, and bezel height so you can choose confidently. You'll see the trade-offs between slim and rugged profiles, clear and matte finishes, and leather, silicone, or aramid fibers. We'll highlight wireless charging compatibility, camera ring protection, lanyard support, and eco-friendly picks to keep your flagship safe and stylish every day. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Mkeke Clear Case, our find for best budget iPhone 17 Pro Max case. If you want crystal clear protection that keeps your iPhone 17 Pro Max looking new without adding bulk, the Mkeke Clear Case is an easy pick. You get a transparent finish made from oxidation-resistant materials that help repel fingerprints and sweat while staying resistant to yellowing, so you can show off your phone's original color day after day. For everyday drops and bumps, the corners use a 3-layer elastic air pad structure designed to absorb shocks from all sides. The case has been rigorously drop tested over 30,000 times and is built to surpass typical military-grade standards. You'll also appreciate the raised bezels that create a protective lip around the display and camera, reducing the risk of scratches on tables or in bags. The sloped camera frame plays nicely with wireless chargers, especially in the car, so you can power up without fiddling. Controls feel natural thanks to precise cutouts and responsive easy-press buttons that keep tactile feedback intact. The fit is deliberately slim and pocket-friendly, sliding into jeans, purses, and backpacks without catching. A skin-friendly finish and grippy edge bumper help you keep a secure, non-slip hold, whether you're commuting, gaming, or snapping photos. If you're after a budget-friendly clear case that balances clarity, comfort, and credible protection for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, this one gives you the essentials done right: clean look, confident drop performance, and everyday convenience. Number 4. Miracase Full Body, our find for best built-in screen protector iPhone 17 Pro Max case. If you want full body coverage without juggling separate pieces, the Miracase Full Body case gives your iPhone 17 Pro Max 360-degree protection with everyday ease. The built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector installs bubble-free and sits flush, so there's no gap to catch dust or lift at the edges. Touch responsiveness stays crisp and smooth, keeping swipes and taps effortless. For drop defense, a dual-layer construction and cushion perimeter are engineered for military-grade protection and have been tested thousands of times to handle real-world impacts. Raised edges guard the display and camera from scratches on countertops and in bags, while the contoured frame offers a comfortable, non-slip grip that feels secure in one hand. The camera gets special attention too. Miracase's unique camera control design reinforces the entire camera surround for better impact resistance while preserving your normal camera touch controls and usage. That means clearer shots and fewer worries about scuffs around the lenses. Charging stays seamless thanks to an upgraded 3rd-generation magnetic ring built into the back. You can snap on MagSafe compatible chargers and accessories with stronger alignment, helping wireless charging feel faster, easier, and more stable. No more accidental disconnects when you pick up your phone or shift angles. If you want a single streamlined case that wraps your iPhone 17 Pro Max in rugged protection, preserves a responsive feel, and plays perfectly with magnetic accessories, Miracase Full Body is a smart, worry-free choice. Still searching for the perfect iPhone 17 Pro Max case? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Spigen Tough Armor T MagFit, our find for best rugged iPhone 17 Pro Max case with Kickstand. If you want rugged protection without giving up everyday convenience, the Spigen Tough Armor T MagFit is tuned for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. A dual-layer build, impact-absorbing thermoplastic polyurethane wrapped in a rigid polycarbonate shell, works with Spigen's extreme protection tech to help disperse shocks from drops and bumps. Raised edges form a protective lip around the screen and camera, so setting your phone down won't invite scratches. You'll appreciate how natural the controls feel. Touch-sensitive, capacitive button covers keep clicks crisp and responsive, while precise cutouts maintain easy access to speakers and ports. The all-new design also adds a built-in kickstand, giving you hands-free viewing for video calls, streaming, or following a recipe at a comfortable angle. MagFit means magnets are integrated directly into the case, so MagSafe accessories snap on securely and align consistently. Whether you're attaching a charger, wallet, or car mount, you get dependable hold and smooth 15-watt wireless charging without removing the case. Despite the rugged build, the Tough Armor T MagFit stays pocket-friendly with contoured sides for a stable, non-slip grip. If you're looking for a case that blends serious drop defense, a practical kickstand, and full MagSafe compatibility, this Spigen option makes your iPhone 17 Pro Max ready for real-world use at home, at work, and everywhere in between. Number 2. Mous Limitless, our find for best iPhone 17 Pro Max case for extreme drop protection. If you want uncompromising drop protection for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Mous Limitless is built for the brutal moments. Its AeroShock impact-absorbing corners work with a rigid polycarbonate shell that resists flex and torsion, helping your phone walk away from serious drops with confidence. The result is rugged defense without the bulky, brick-like feel you're trying to avoid. You also get a patent-pending camera control button designed for precision. A reinforced triple-shot surround with an aluminum frame, silicone diaphragm, and toughened glass top delivers crisp, durable presses and reliable swipes, so toggling camera controls feels accurate even after thousands of uses. Around the lenses, a reinforced glass-filled polycarbonate camera bump adds a stiff, protective barrier to help prevent scratches and impact damage to Apple's latest camera system. For charging and accessories, the built-in magnetic array supports MagSafe, Qi 2, and Mous magnetic add-ons, unlocking 15-watt fast wireless charging and snap-on convenience. From car mounts to wallets, your daily setup clicks into place and stays secure. Finally, you can match your style without sacrificing toughness. Choose from premium finishes including aramid fiber, black leather, walnut, bamboo, speckled fabric, and new seasonal colors, mulberry, sage, and chili. If extreme protection, reliable camera operation, and seamless magnetic charging are must-haves, Mous Limitless gives you a refined, durable case experience tailored to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air, our find for best iPhone 17 Pro Max case overall. If you want a do-everything case that protects, stands, and snaps to MagSafe with authority, the TORRAS Ostand Q3 Air for iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers. You get visible protection with AirMax airbag tech, an internal 100% aerodynamic cushioning structure that absorbs shocks more efficiently than standard shells. You're also getting a stand that actually replaces a kickstand. The precision-engineered Ostand locks securely at any angle and rotates 0 to 360 degrees, giving you stable hands-free support for watching, recording, video calls, or desk work. Fold it flat when you're on the move, flip it out, and it clicks into place when you're ready. MagSafe is stronger too. A Halbach array with premium N52SH neodymium magnets provides up to 200% more holding force than typical setups, so chargers, power banks, and car mounts connect instantly and stay wobble-free. Camera controls feel dialed in. An advanced metal layer and conductive interface keep the buttons responsive and precise, while the fully covered design protects against dust and knocks. The enhanced capacitive system preserves the original click feel with reassuring rebound. If you want one case that prioritizes serious drop protection, a truly versatile 360-degree stand, rock-solid MagSafe, and crisp camera button response, all in a sleek, pocket-friendly profile, the Ostand Q3 Air is built to elevate how you carry and use your iPhone 17 Pro Max every day. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which iPhone 17 Pro Max case you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.